Aknur. I'm from Turkmenistan. I'm a student. I'm 23 years old. I'm studying Kharkov Pedagogical University. I have been living in Kharkov for 3 years. I'm third course. I'm learning English, Russian languages, and the world literature. As for me, student life is too challenging. To speak about myself is pleasant and a bit difficult. I'm very punctual, energetic, responsible, and a easygoing person. My favorite activities: reading books, listening to music, watching movies, and at the same time, I'm very sociable, hospitable, hardworking, and a cheerful person. About my hobby, I'm good at cooking. I like baking cakes and preparing delicious food. And I like to spend my leisure time with my friends. I like to go out with them. And of course, I love and I respect my parents. And I wish I want them to be proud of me. So I wish I did my best to be an efficient specialist and a good human being. To change my point of view within the scope of this program Work and Travel, and my purpose of getting to know your country's civilization developed, and I want to find new friendship, and this program will be a great experience for me. Thank you for your attention.